everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Devleena and today we're going to create this beautiful blue smoky eye look. You guys have probably seen this makeup on my Instagram already, wearing a very beautiful blue sari where I recreated Sri Devi's look from Mr. India. And a lot of you guys asked me in the DM to create this tutorial, so I thought why not just do it. It's very simple. Also, before I start with the video, let me tell you that I've already done my base makeup. So today we are just going to dig in directly to the eye makeup because it's totally focused on the blue smoky eye look, and I hope you enjoy watching this. So without me talking too much, let's just dive in. Since I'm already done with my base makeup, I'm directly going to dig into my eye look. For that, we're going to use the Revolution palette and the Morphe palette. So first I'm going to take the color and create a base. Once we're done with the base color, we are then going to move ahead with this shade. Then going to move ahead with this teal blue color. See this color? I'm going to take this brush and take the color. After that, we're going to go with this silver shade. This is the shade we will take, and we'll take a very fine tip brush. So we're going to go with this. After being done with these both, I'm going to take my favorite blending brush, which is from PAC, and just do the complete blending properly. Won't take any other product, just do the blending. And then I'm taking this Nykaa Glow Goals. This is how the product would look like. I'm taking the shade and I'm just gonna go ahead here. This gives a very lifted look to your eyebrows. Now that I'm done with my eye look, I'm going to wear my falsies off camera. So I'm done with my lashes, and now we're going to move ahead with a little bit of highlighter around our eye. I'm going to use the same highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to take a little bit and go here. And then I'm going to use the same highlighter for highlighting my rest of the face. I don't like this straight stroke, so I like to blend it with my makeup. For my lipstick, I'm using this brick shade from Lakme Absolute, and I'm going to apply just one shade today. that's it, you guys. This is the complete look. I am totally digging in for this look. Looks so good. Like, I'm just liking it so much, and I hope you enjoy watching this. At the same time, you guys find it very simple. And yeah, that's it, you guys. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, bye.